going to obtain my sterile gloves and its packaging. Then I will perform hand hygiene. After performing hand hygiene, I will open up my package carefully, not to contaminate the sterile field. Making sure I only touch 1-inch margins around my sterile field. Now with my non-dominant hand, I will reach for my dominant hand's glove, only touching the inner portion of the glove. Going to lift it off of my sterile field and carefully place my hands inside, making sure to only touch the inside of the glove. Now this hand is now sterile. I'm going to lift my remaining glove with my sterile hand, touching only the sterile area of the glove. And now I'm going to slip my non-dominant hand into the gloves, making sure only to touch the outside portion of the glove to make sure that my hands remain sterile. And then I will cross them and keep them above my waist to make sure that my field and my hands remain sterile. Thank you. To remove the sterile gloves, what I would do is I would take and pinch and roll inside the sterile glove, and then for the opposite end I would pinch the inside of the glove, or take my finger on the inside of the glove and roll them together, making sure that I'm only touching the inside of the glove. After, I would perform hand hygiene. Make sure I discard my gloves in the trash after they've been balled up. Thank you.